Children, in today's video, we're going to look at all the maps from class 10th social science where questions are confirmed to be worth 5 marks in your exams. So after watching this video, you're guaranteed to get 5 marks from social science in your exams. Remember, history will have a 2-mark question based on maps, and geography will have 3-mark questions based on maps. However, history has fewer map questions. There are only 9 questions, and only 2 of these 9 will be available. Geography, on the other hand, has a large number of map questions, and only 3 will be asked from there. And has a large number of map questions, and only 3 will be asked from there. But I'm going to tell you the important ones right now. Memorize them well. Okay, let's get started. First, I'll get you the history map questions here. The first question here is the place where the session of the Indian National Congress was held in September 1920. For those students who have social science in Hindi, you can also read the question. The place where the Indian National Congress session was held in September 1920 It was in Kolkata. So all you have to do is show Kolkata on the map. Where is Kolkata located? Look, here is here. So you have to put Kolkata number 1 and write Kolkata here. Okay. This is how we do map questions. Remember it well. The place where the Indian National Congress was held in September 1920. Remember, these questions about the Indian National Congress are confirmed. They always appear in the exam. There are 3 or 4 questions related to the Indian National Congress here. Okay, one of those questions will definitely be in your exam. So where did the session take place in September 1920? In Kolkata. Next, look here, the next question is the same. It's the Indian National Congress session. But here it says December 1920. What did it take place in December 1920? In December. So it took place in Nagpur. Now you have to show Nagpur on the map. So where is Nagpur? So yeah, you can point to this place and write Nagpur like this. Okay, so remember all this. Where did it take place in December 1920? In Nagpur. Where did it take place in September? In Kolkata. Okay. Next, here's the third question. Look here again. The session of the Indian National Congress is now in 1927. Now there's no month name here. So when there's no month name, only 1927 will be asked. Now understand the difference between the 2 questions. It's 1920 here, and the previous question mentioned September 1920. But here it's 1927. There's no month here. So where was the Indian National Congress session held in 1927? It was in Madras. And now you simply need to show where Madras is on the map. So it's here. So we'll write Madras here like this. Okay? Let's move on. The next question here is Ratela, a place in Bihar where peasants struggled against the indigo plantation system, the Sanitary Apprenticeship system. That place in Bihar where peasants struggled against the indigo plantation system. That means it's listed in English as the place in Bihar where peasants are ali. So which place was that? Which place in Bihar was that? So that place was Champaran. Now, you know where Bihar is located. You have to locate Champaran on the map like this. Okay? Next, here's question number 5. A place in Gujarat where the peasant satyagraha was organized. The place in Gujarat where the farmers satyagraha was organized. The place in Gujarat where the peasant satyagraha was organized. Which place was that? So that place was Kheda. Now, where is this Gujarat? Where would Kheda be in Gujarat? It would be. So this is my correct answer here. Okay, so we have to locate Kheda on the map like this. Next, question number 6 here. A place in Gujarat where the Satyagraha movement for cotton mill workers was held. Now, look at this one from here. These are questions number 6 and 5. One question from each of these 2 appears in the exam. There are 3 questions in total. One is about the Congress session. This one's about Gujarat. You'll definitely be asked one of these 2. And there will be a 3rd question as well. You have to answer 2 out of 3. Okay, so here we're asking you, what was the place in Gujarat where the Satyagraha movement led by cotton mill workers took place? Or yes, so Gujarat would be right here, and that place was Ahmedabad. Oh, so you have to put Ahmedabad at this very place. Okay, so you can see here that the answer to question number 5 was also almost right here. No, there's just a slight difference. This was here, this is here. So if you move even a little bit here or there, that point will be deducted. You just have to do this show on Gujarat. Just remember this. Next up is question number 7. A place in Punjab where the Jallianwala Bagh incident took place. Now, the place in Punjab where the Jallianwala Bagh incident took place. Where in Punjab did it happen? So did it happen in Punjab or Amritsar? So now you just need to show Amritsar in Punjab. You need to show Amritsar in Punjab on the map like this. So this question was easy. Next up is question number 8, a place in Gujarat associated with the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. Now look, here's another question about Gujarat. There will always be a question about Gujarat. Remember, there's always a Congress session question, there's always a question about Gujarati. That's for sure. So now the question here is about the place in Gujarat where the civil disobedience movement started. Where did it happen? It happened in Dandi. So we can write the answer here as Dandi. Okay, you need to locate it on the map like this. And here's question number 9, a place associated with the calling off of the non-cooperation movement, meaning a place associated with the calling off of the non-cooperation movement. The place where the non-cooperation movement ended. What was that place? So this place was Chauri Chaura, which is in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. So you have to locate it on the map like this. Okay, so these are 9 questions from history. Questions will keep coming. They will come from here. This is 100% guaranteed. You can definitely score 2 marks from here. Let's move on. And now let's look at the map questions in geography. As I said earlier, there are a lot of map questions in geography, so don't forget to understand each one thoroughly. Now, for example, this Salal. These Salal are the names of all the dams. For example, here Salal, Tehri, Bhagra, Nangal, Hirakud, Rana Pratap, Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Tungabhadra, Nagarjuna Sagar. All these are the names of dams here. Now, where is this dam? You have to locate it here. The map will tell you where to locate it. Like Salal will give it to you. So you'll be asked to locate Salal on the map. Where's it located? It's in Jammu and Kashmir. So you have to remember where Salal is located. Jammu is in Jammu and Kashmir. So now you can identify what Jammu and Kashmir is on the map. Okay, so here is Jammu and Kashmir. So here you can write Salal will be at this location. Okay, so take a look at the map. All these dams are listed here. Next is Bhakra Nangal. Bhakra Nangal Dam is in Himachal Pradesh. Now the question arises, where is Himachal Pradesh located here? So take a look here. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is shown here. That means this is my Himachal Pradesh. I hope you've memorized it. Which ones are important in this? Salal is important. You have to remember this. It's in Jammu and Kashmir. Tehri is important. Remember this. These 2 are the most important. Okay? Just keep that in mind. But don't forget these 2 at all. Next, there's iron and steel plants. Here are some iron and steel plants. Now, for example, there's Bokaro. Where is it? In Jharkhand. Look here. Bokaro is in Jharkhand. Bokaro is here in Jharkhand now. Next, there's Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is also in Jharkhand. There are iron and steel plants here too. Here, right here, Jamshedpur is right around Bokaro. Next, there's Durgapur, which is in West Bengal. So West Bengal, Durgapur will be here. Okay. Then there's Bhilai. The Bhilai iron and steel plant is in Madhya Pradesh. It's located at this location. Next, there's Vijayanagar iron and steel plant. It's in Karnataka. It's located at this location. And next, there's Salem. It's in Tamil Nadu. It's located at this point. So you need to remember all of this here. Now what's important about this? This Salem is important. This question is asked in the exam. After this, Durgapur is also asked. You have to remember these 2 from here. Look, these 2 are asked most often. Let's move on. Here you have another oil field. There are some oil fields here. For example, remember it. It is in Gujarat. Kalol is at this point here. After another oil field. There are some oil fields here. For example, Kalol is important. It comes in the exam. Remember it. It is in Gujarat. Kalol is at this point here. After this is Ankleshwar. This is also important. It also comes in the exam. It is also in Gujarat. Ankleshwar will be somewhere nearby. After this is Mumbai High. It is near the Arabian Sea. Here. After this is the Seine. This is in the Arabian Sea. This is also right here near the Arabian Sea. After this is Digboi. This is an important one, which is in Assam. Digboi is in Assam. It will be here. Right here. Okay. And one is Naharka, which is in Assam. Naharka is also in Assam here. So Digboi, Nahar, Katia, Kalol, these 3 are important. These 4 are important here. Questions come from here in the exam. Let's move on. Then iron ore is given here. Some iron ore names are given, like Durg iron ore. Look at it here. It's here. Okay. Next, here's Bela, which is in Chhattisgarh. Now where is it? Bela is here in Chhattisgarh. Okay. Next, there's Mayurganj, which is in Odisha. Where is Mayurganj? In Odisha. Here you have it. There's an iron ore here. Then there's Bellary. This is Bellary in Karnataka. Sorry, it's here. Here's Bellary here. And there's another one, Kudek, which is near Karnataka. Now, which are the important ones? Your Durg is important. This is asked. And this one, Kurmukh, is asked. Remember this. And Bellary is also asked here. These 3 are important. Okay, remember this. These 3 are important. Bellary is in Chhattisgarh. Or this one, Bellary, is in Karnataka. And Kudarmur is also in Karnataka. And now here's the nuclear power plants. Now, all of these are important here. Questions about nuclear power plants always It's in Uttar Pradesh. Look, Narora is here. Next is Kakrapar. Where is it? In Gujarat. Kakrapar is here. Look, it's in Gujarat. Next is Tarapur. This is in Maharashtra. And one is Kalpakkam. This is in Tamil Nadu at this point. Now pay attention to these. I'm saying this again and again. All of you. Let's move on to the next one. Thermal power plant, salt ponds. Now Namrup is also important, which is in Assam. Is also important. This is in Madhya Pradesh. Singrauli is here in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next is Ramagundam. This is in Telangana, and this is also important. Questions on thermal power plants also come in the exam. So memorize these three. Namrup is here, Singrauli is here, and Ramagundam is here. Next is cotton textile industries. First up is Kanpur, which is in Uttar Pradesh. There's also cotton textile industry in Surat, which is in Gujarat. It's also in Surat and Mumbai, meaning Maharashtra. It's in Coimbatore. It's in Tamil Nadu, and another in Indore, meaning Madhya Pradesh. The most important one is this one. Questions from this don't come up early in the exam. Questions will either come, meaning Madhya Pradesh. The most important one is this one. Questions from this don't come up early in the exam. Remember, there's a coal mine here, Bokaro in Jharkhand, and another nearby. It's an important coal mine in Tamil Nadu. Well, this one also comes up in the exam. Then let's move on to international airport. The question is asked about Rajasthanji, so remember this one is in Punjab, Galakhalaya. Next, this is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Indira Gandhi International Airport near Idility, Ganda Shatiali. Then Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Maharashtra, where Pinay, right? In Rabagri, Adarsh Mughal, at this point here, right? Then Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Telangana. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Telangana. Next, Meenambakkam. Meenambakkam is in Tamil Nadu. Meenambakkam is near Tamil Nadu. And Thiruvananthapuram is in Kerala, right? These are some of the international airports here. Now, which one is important? I said at the beginning that Rajasthanji is important here. That is one. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is important from here, and Indira Gandhi International Airport is also important. But the chances of this are low. There's a higher chance either Rajasthanji will appear or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose will be there. One of these two will be in the exam. Rajasthanji is more likely. So there are only so many maps in geography. If you do so many maps, you come back with a confirmed question worth 3 marks from geography and a confirmed question worth 2 marks from history. Boy, you will get a guaranteed score of 5 marks. So that's all for today.